Good morning, everyone. Today we are back at Universal Studios Hollywood to check out what is new. And before we get started on today's update, make sure you watch to the end to see how you can win the 60th Anniversary Studio Tour lanyard pouch with medallion. Good morning, everyone. We are back at Universal Studios Hollywood today to check out the preparations for the 60th Studio Tour Anniversary celebration starting April 26th. We're going to take the studio tour, see if they finished up all the new attractions, and see if Earthquake is open. Not sure if it is yet. Check out the merch and see all the decor here. And we will be here for a special pass member preview this week also. So whatever we don't see today, we'll definitely see for the special celebration a few days early. But this opens officially April 26th. Let's go check it out. Part of the 60th Studio Tour Anniversary celebration will be a tasting card of limited time food items available at select locations here on the upper lot. And I believe Studio Scoops also. We'll have a full list for you once that is released, but Hollywood and Dine will have that special menu. The spring break crowds have finally subsided here, as you can see. The park just opened, but this is much calmer than it has been. Oh, and walls are up for Horror Nights. Let's go check that out. The City Snack Shop here on the upper lot will be part of that tasting card for the 60th anniversary, and it's been made to look like a tram, one of the Glamor trams. How cool. Last week I just did a video on how the Parisian Courtyard is one of the best places to find some peace and quiet while you're in the park, and it is walled off now. I assume it is for Horror Nights. Mel's is also a location for that 60th anniversary tasting card. You can see they have a meatloaf combo dinner, a fried chicken combo dinner made to look like TV dinners, and then they have apple pie shake, cherry pie shake, cosmic pop, and a glitz and glamour drink. This banner has gone up that says happy anniversary here on French Street, and the walls are down in front of the Moulin Rouge. Very cool. These work walls have been up. Let's see what they did. I think they just refaced the outside of the building. Looks really nice. And I think the tables were painted. Are they a different color? And comment below, were these tables always blue? I swear they were black, and I think last time I ate on them they were black. So some new banners have gone up here on the walkway down to the studio tour celebrating the 60th. This billboard at the very end has been switched out also. I believe that used to have Jimmy Fallon on it. And the big mural at the bottom of the escalators has been changed out. We'll take a look at that. And last week we reported the new snack shop at the bottom of the escalators finally reopened after being closed for several months.
Films right here on the lot. We also have a couple shows that aren't even on NBC or Universal. One of my favorites that films here is called Hacks on HBO Max, starring Gene Smart, and Loop on Apple Plus with Maya Rudolph films here. So
they're looking straight ahead. They're looking at the shot that we're working on. Here you have to take it
with computer-generated imagery. It was totally fake, just like everything else. This construction, there's not really anything in there. I will be honest with you. They're kind of doing some outside painting. You can see it says brand new. too. So cute. So welcome to our Jurassic Park area. On your left-hand side in just a moment, the camouflage vehicle, that's the mobile lab. And I'm going to show you a movie that used that flood called Big Fat Liar. Academy Award nominee Paul Giamatti starring Ted Danson and Kristen Bell. If you have not seen The Good Place,
The strike was frustrating. It didn't really work all the time. It didn't work hardly at all. Wherever you were on the island, you could hear the radio waves. They were always saying, "The shark is not working. Repeat."
You are going to immediately recognize as Wisteria replicas done for the 30th anniversary, but I wanted to point those out.
So we didn't see too much for the 60th on today's tour. Earthquake is still not open yet, but we did see some new dinosaurs. And what was really interesting is the doors to the old Fast and Furious attraction, if you remember that, were open, and they changed the sign out front to say Dino Paddock to match the rest of the area. So that is brand new. That was not there last week. You could see them touching up all the sets. All the buildings in Amity, all the backlot has been freshly repainted, new flowers, touched up really nice for that celebration. Before we look at the construction here on the new Fast and Furious coaster, remember Ryan Gosling and Emily Blunt have The Fall Guy based on the TV show coming out May 3rd. Universal Studios picture, of course. And we see this is a huge project. It's going to span all these hillsides here. Look at this. Fast and Furious, we're calling it Hollywood Drift. Look at this project for this coaster. It is multi-tiered, multi-leveled. It's amazing. And then up there, we're assuming, we keep saying that'll be the loading platform because you could see the coaster track supports, but that's speculation, but I think that's probably a good whatever. Switching gears from coaster construction to Halloween Horror Nights construction. We see construction here on what was The Last of Us last year. If you have any ideas what might be coming, comment below. This one is next to the Mummy. And the other location, which was Holidays in Hell, back there, you can actually see that being worked on from the studio tour today. And then, of course, in the Parisian Courtyard, there is work going on. And then underneath the parking garages on the back lot, there are 2 additional houses being worked on. So what we can visibly see, there are at least 5, and there's usually a few in the sound stages. The Terror Tram won't get worked on until after the studio tour anniversary ends. And then the location on the upper lot, which was once The Walking Dead. That is it here from Universal Studios Hollywood for this quick update. Saw some changes in preparation for that 60th anniversary studio tour. Only thing we didn't show you yet, on the lower lot, Panda Express is still under construction. They're doing a remodeling. And that Studio Scoop, which we thought there are some limited edition items for that 60th anniversary studio tour. Sundaes and such look really, really good. It's a new ice cream. The ice cream looks like the ice cream soft serve from Florian Fortescue's ice cream there inside of Honeydukes and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So interesting. Can't wait to try those when we come back. What else? That is it. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, and follow us on social media, as we will be back here again this week for that special pass member preview of the full 60th anniversary studio tour with all the new enhancements. And you're going to be able to get out and walk around the studio tour. Certain section. Very, very excited about that. And as promised, thank you for watching to the end. We're giving away the 60th anniversary studio tour lanyard pouch. If you want your chance at winning, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit the like button on the video, and comment below with your favorite movie. If it's a Universal movie, bonus points. And if you want to make another comment about today's video, that'll be a second chance to enter, including what houses do you think will be coming to Halloween Horror Nights this year. So we'll put the full details on how to win this down in the comments, and do that before this coming Saturday, and we'll put that date. And we'll pick a winner and notify you here on YouTube.